If you just clicked on this video and you're listening to me right now, then there's literally no excuse to why you can't use the 3 apps I'm about to tell you about to make additional streams of income. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond Chanel, and if you're new here, I talk about all things finances and passive income. This video is created for you who is looking to make additional forms of income without any upfront investment, no real technical skills, and simply just using your cell phone to get this done. If you have some transportation, that's going to be a plus to the apps I'm going to tell you about. So let's just get into the video because we don't do long intros here, okay? The first app that we're going to go over is TubeTask. This app pays people like yourself to go into different retail stores, say like Target, CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, and to take different reviews of the products there. So you don't even have to purchase the product. You can simply pull out your phone and start recording the product and doing a quick review on why you are interested in this product, talking a little bit about the brand of it. None of these videos have to be more than 10 minutes long. And according to TubeTask, they will actually pay you $50 to $80 an hour to do this. But here's the best part. Some of the tasks that they will assign you don't even require you to leave your couch. You could be making $50 to $80 an hour by simply just taking videos and reviewing a product that you might even have in your cabinet. That they can pay you within the first 48 hours. So of course, I had to sign up and see if this really worked. So I created an account, and within a few hours, I got my first assignment, and it's for $10 to do a simple task. And you can make a quick buck without having any real skills. All you have to do is need to know how to use your camera on your phone. And most people know how to do that. So if you got that down packed, you can start making money. Now let's go on to app number 2. This app, I will admit, is one of my favorite apps to use as a consumer. I love Instacart. I don't even leave my house to go grocery shopping anymore. Every 2 weeks or so, I literally order my groceries from Instacart and I have someone bring it to my front door. Instacart claims that you can make $25 an hour simply by going grocery shopping and delivering it to the customer's door. It sounds simple enough. If you chose to do this for 3 hours, then you can make $75 a day just by going grocery shopping and delivering it. The app makes it very simple to figure out what the customer needs and what the customer ordered. And if there's any issues, you can also contact the customer yourself and ask them if they would like to replace one of the items. It's very simple. It's quick. Usually when I order, it only takes about 30 minutes for the whole thing to be done. Instacart does have a small interview process. However, when you're signing up for it, all you have to do is answer the questions and just film yourself while answering the questions, and that's the entire interview. That's it. I will say that you do have to have a car to perform this. I have seen people do this on other transportation such as like motorcycles and bikes. However, I would think that using a car would be the most efficient way. However, this requires you to have no skills, no upfront investments, literally just an iPhone and a vehicle, and you can get this done. Start making $25 an hour right now. Also, I believe Instacart has features that they pay and you can cash out at the end of each and every day. Our third app that we're reviewing is called Taskrabbit. And I think that this one is my favorite because it just has so many options open for so many different people to do so many different tasks. So Taskrabbit is a platformer app that allows freelancers and customers to come together in one place and to offer different tasks, of course. So I'll even show you the different things that you can offer as a tasker, as they would call you, to a client who was looking to have something done quick and easy. The different tasks that you use will also vary per hour. So check out this quick clip where I show you the different tasks and how much they pay per hour.
Here is the website for Taskrabbit, and I'm going to show you the different things that you can offer. You can also change the city. Right now I have it set to Austin. And so let's check out some of the things that you can offer. So you can do a personal assistant. And as you see, as I click through these different categories that you can choose to do, you're going to see the price per hour change. So we just went from 19 to 18 to 46. If you're near a city like I am, I'm in Austin, there's a lot of people that's moving in right now. So since there's so many people moving to the state, I noticed that one of the biggest tasks that you'll get paid for is moving services. So if you're able to help people move in and out of their apartments or move in and out of their home, you will see the best pricing. This app is great for freelancers who are ready to be their own boss and have a flexible schedule, and you can also set your own rates. All at the same time, you're growing your business. And who's to say that you couldn't pass out your business cards or tell these people, give them a link to your website so you can start having these people as reoccurring customers outside of this app.
Okay, those are 3 different apps that you can use to make money with no skills, no upfront investments, and all you need is a phone. If you stuck around to the end of this video, you guys know what to do. Go ahead, leave me a smiley face, leave me a thumbs up, or leave me a heart to let me know that you made it through and that you learned something new today. All the apps that I talked about are in my description below. All you have to do is click the link. And make sure that you click that like button for me. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And stay tuned to the next video where I show you how to make money as a freelancer using 2 different websites. You made it to this portion of the video. You guys know what to do. Leave me a heart, leave me a smiley face, leave me a thumbs up to let me know that you made it here and that I'm being clear, I'm being concise, that you're listening. And it just helps me, to interact with each and every one of you. Go ahead. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Don't forget to leave those emojis in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video.